Welcome back to Automobiles Car, where we dive deep into the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning exterior of the 2025 Honda City, a car that's making waves in the sedan market with its dynamic design and bold presence on the road. So, without further ado, let's explore what makes this car stand out. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Honda City is its modern, aerodynamic silhouette. The designers at Honda have clearly focused on giving the car a sleeker, more streamlined profile compared to its predecessors. The lower stance and flowing roofline are not only visually appealing but also contribute to the car's improved aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. At the front, the 2025 Honda City features an aggressive and bold fascia. The new grille design has been widened and now integrates seamlessly with the LED headlamps, creating a more unified look. The honeycomb mesh pattern adds a sporty touch, while the sharp lines of the hood give the car a more muscular and commanding presence. These headlights are equipped with LED technology, providing better visibility while also adding a premium feel to the car's overall design. Moving to the side, you'll notice how the 2025 Honda City's bold character lines run smoothly from the front to the rear. These lines not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency. The dynamic sculpting on the doors gives the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Complementing this design are the 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, which add a touch of sportiness while ensuring better grip on the road. Now, let's take a look at the rear of the 2025 Honda City. The rear has undergone a significant transformation, featuring C-shaped LED taillights that wrap around the edges of the car, giving it a distinctive and futuristic look. The taillights are sharp and angular, which accentuates the car's width and adds to its road presence. The rear bumper is sculpted with precision, housing dual exhaust outlets that give it a sportier edge. The integrated spoiler on the trunk lid not only adds to the visual appeal but also improves aerodynamics, providing better stability at higher speeds. Attention to detail is evident throughout the exterior of the 2025 Honda City. The side mirrors now feature integrated LED turn signals, enhancing both safety and style. The chrome door handles add a touch of elegance without being overbearing, and the sloping roofline further emphasizes the car's sleek design. From every angle, the 2025 Honda City exudes sophistication and sportiness. In terms of performance, the design of the 2025 Honda City plays a critical role. The improved aerodynamics not only help with fuel efficiency but also ensure that the car glides smoothly on the road. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the exterior design has been fine-tuned to offer both style and functionality, making every drive a pleasure. The 2025 Honda City is more than just a sedan. It's a statement of modern automotive design. With its sleek lines, aggressive front fascia, and attention to detail, it's clear that Honda has once again set a new standard in the compact sedan segment. Thanks for tuning into Automobiles Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and insights into the world of automobiles.